Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in brilliant black, it looks great. You do have the Jeep logo up front with your chrome accenting up there as well. You do also have your HID by Xenon headlights right there, and your fog lights just down there. Coming around the side here, we do have our 20-inch rims with our Goodyear tires. Still look great, lots of tread left on them as well. And right up here, we do have heated exterior mirrors right there with the turning signals. Coming all the way around to the back, we do have our Overland badging, as well as the Jeep right there. Now to open it up, we just got to press this. It does open up automatically for us, looks great. Lots of room back here as well. You got the cover there. You can also lift this up. You got your spare tire just underneath there. Then you also have an emergency flashlight right here. And to close it up, you just got to press that button and it folds right down for us just like that. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. You do have that guy for your remote start. Starts it up for you, it gets nice and warm. Don't have to go outside in the cold in the winter. It also has this button here that opens up the back. And it does also have proximity keyless entry, so if the key is on your person, just got to put your hand in there, it will unlock for you. Plus you got the button there if you did want to lock it. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. This one does put in your mirrors. You have your chrome accenting on the handle here, a little bit of storage down here, and your memory for your seats there. Looks great in here. The leather seats are very comfortable as well. You do also have the controls over your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light there and your fog lights if you press it in. Up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and our windshield wipers. And then right down here we do have our lumbar support as well as our electric seats. Okay, keys are in the cup holder, foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have right in the center there, we have how many kilometers we have, 59,000, not too bad at all. We also have our range, our different gear we're in, and then you can switch that around to your miles or kilometers there. You have your vehicle info, your terrain options, you also have your driver's assist, your fuel economy, your trip A and your trip B in there, your audio, your stored messages, your screen setup, and back to your speedometer. That is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options. You got some paddle shifters here, horn in the center, cruise control. You have these different options for your cruise control as well as your other paddle shifter right there. In the center, we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, so we do have our radio, so we have our AM, FM, and Sirius XM. We have our media tab here if we have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, or SD card. We have our controls over heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, mirror dimmer. We have our climate control. We have a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You also have your navigation. If you hit view map, you can see we are in Wreck Place. We have our phone options right there if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, and your settings right there. Down here we do have a volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, and browser there. You got your AC, circulation, heat up and down. You got your power, off auto, your defrost there, park assist, collision detection, eco mode, and you also have your traction control right there. This button here does open this up, and you got some storage in there with your SD, aux cord, and USB plugins. Then you can also close that back up. You got your gear shift right here, just like that, and it pops back to the middle. Now when you are in reverse, you do have that ever useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. Down here we have the controls over our 4-wheel low, our downhill assist. This one raises and lowers the vehicle, and this one changes how it drives your terrain select. In the center, you do have your armrest that doubles as a storage container. You have the top layer and the bottom layer right there. As well as over here, we do have a lock-in glove box. Looks great, lots of room in there. And then up top, you do have a universal garage door opener right here. You have the controls over your sunroof. You also have your lights here, sunglass holder, and there is our dual pane sunroof. It looks fantastic. That's in lots of light. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you have that same chrome accenting, the controls over your windows, handle here, and some storage down here. It looks great back here as well. The leather is very nice, same material as the front. You can fold this down. You got some an armrest there with some cup holders. You can also fold these seats forward if you did need, just like that. Then you got extra room back here. You also have right over here heated seats for the people back here and some USB plugins. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.